Welcome to the world of colorful semantics. In just 5 minutes. So, what exactly is colorful semantics? Colourful semantics is a powerful approach created by Alison Bryan. It focuses on helping children to develop their grammar, but it is rooted in the meaning of words. How does it work? Colourful semantics reassembles sentences by cutting them up into their thematic roles and then color codes them. The approach has 4 key color-coded stages. There are further stages for adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, and negatives. Here's an example to make it clearer. Let's say we're working with the sentence, "The girl is coloring a picture inside." In this sentence, the girl would be color-coded orange because it represents the who, the subject. Is coloring would be yellow, because it's the doing word or action. A picture is green, representing the what, the object. Finally, inside would be blue, as it represents the where, location. We have 6 different colorful semantics apps available, providing 6 different ways to practice and play. These apps are Classic, Sorting, Silly Mix, Fill Gaps, Sequencing, and Find Words. In this video, I'll walk you through each app so you know exactly what to expect. And the best part? You can get all of these individual apps as part of a special App Store bundle, offering a discounted price for all 6. Check the link in the description to grab the bundle today. Let's start with Colourful Semantics Classic. In this app, a picture is shown, and the user has to choose the right cards to complete a sentence that best describes what's in the image. For each of the who, doing, what, and where categories, the user will select the appropriate symbol card from 4 available options. Once all 4 categories are filled, a new picture will appear, and the process starts over. Next up is Colourful Semantics Find Words. In this activity, a short piece of text will be displayed, and the user is tasked with finding and highlighting the who, what, where, and doing words using color-coded highlighters. There's even an option to add extra highlighters for words like who to, when, and how, which adds an extra layer of complexity for more advanced learners. After highlighting the words, the user can move on to comprehension questions to check their understanding of the text. Colourful Semantics Sequencing. 4 slots are shown on screen alongside 4 jumbled symbol cards. The user needs to drag each symbol card into the correct position to discover the full sentence. The next app is Colourful Semantics Fill Gaps. Again, an image will be shown on the screen. The user will need to look at the image shown and fill in the blank in the sentence for each of who, doing, what, and where. A new picture will then be shown to fill the gaps for the next sentence. Now, let's talk about Colourful Semantics Silly Mix. This one is a bit different, adding an element of fun and creativity to the learning process. A starter symbol card will be displayed at the top of the screen, and below it, there are cards for each of the categories: who, doing, what, where, who to, when, and how. The user can choose cards from any of the categories and drag them in line with the starter card to create the silliest sentence possible. Any extra words can be added in using the post-it notes to supplement the sentence building. Lastly, we have Colourful Semantics Sorting. In this activity, 4 color-coded postboxes are displayed on the screen, each one labeled with one of the categories: who, doing, what, and where. Below the postboxes are sets of symbol cards that need to be sorted into the correct boxes. The user can drag and drop the cards into the right categories, helping them understand the differences between various types of words. After completing each activity, a detailed report will be generated to track progress. The report will show the user's answers for each question, highlighting which ones were correct or incorrect, and provide a total score at the end. And for even more flexibility, each app lets you customize a variety of settings. You can change the text-to-speech voice to suit your preferences, choose between American or British English, and adjust activity-specific settings like the number of semantic elements to increase or decrease the difficulty level. It is important to be trained in colourful semantics before using the approach. We recommend training with Integrated Treatment Services, as their training has been approved by the creator Alison Bryan. Integrated Treatment Services also provide a digital colourful semantics assessment which will help you to baseline your students' progress using our Colourful Semantics app. Would you like more support? You can email us at support@therapy-box.co.uk with any questions. We are more than happy to answer them. More information and support is also available on our website.